Hi, my name is Anshika and I lead content and media at Girl Power Talk. As a writer, I've always believed that originality, care and style comes from within. Now, with the advent of AI, everything is changing. I've been thinking more deeply about what it means to be a writer and how can our voice shine through all of these tools as well. The more I write, the more I see that AI is a tool that helps support your arguments but not create them. It helps refine the how, but the why is still to be defined by you. In fact, the advent of AI got me even closer to how I write and the human part of writing. Thoughts, tone, rhythm, and your value system all come from within. AI is just something that I use to sharpen my opinions or maybe look for style references. Just as we refine our writing in terms of our human thoughts, we refine our writing even when we write with AI. Writing ethically with AI begins with ideating yourself. What essentially we can take AI's help in is structuring and style references or maybe even looking into the mechanics of it. But the thought and the passion should shine from what you write. Even as tools evolve, I find that the most important part of writing is the human part. That's where the meaning lives and that's where the voice comes from. And for me, the journey of staying true to myself, of preserving my voice, is becoming more relevant than ever.